Welcome to the recording of IIG's GPS tracking showing how you can find the location, display the location where a technician was in a day. So the whole GPS tracking program is activated from IIG's dispatch board. This is dispatch board where you have the ability to move a technician from one day to the next day or from one day a technician to the other. And each one of these cells basically represents a technician to go work on a task, and its system would warn you if you have any skill requirement issues or with any scheduling conflict. As I mentioned, if I click on the Google Map icon, the mapping software comes up. Now, as part of the package, you have the ability to see the location of your office, to go to the technicians and see the task that a technician has in the system, decide that you're going to assign one of the tasks as the location that you want the person to go to, and see the direction, so how to get from location A to B, and then send that to him. But what we've added to the package is the ability to find all technicians. So if you click on it, and at this point I have this technician here, Adam is displayed. Adam is the technician that is in the system. Basically, system has the ability to show me Adam, where Adam is, and I could now basically, if I wanted to see the location of Adam for a given day, I would basically select the day, and I will click on track technician, and it would basically show me that Adam was in the Palm Drive, North Pacific, where it was the location where it showed Adam at. But he also went to this other location, and it's Citibank. Of course, we can zoom in and zoom out if you wanted to see exactly that was Citibank, that was a restaurant. You could do that. Now, if you want to see date and time information, you click on show titles, and the show titles would display the actual date and time. Now, depending on frequency that you set up, frequency of tracking the location. So we let you on the system do a couple of things. One is enter the how frequently do you want the system to track the location. And here it's telling us that on December 13th from 11:29 to 11:33 was in that location, and from 11:40 to 11:48 for 8 minutes it was in this location. So that locations are displayed for a range. So if you just make it smaller, you would see that here again locations are tracked where he was. Now, I actually, this is my phone, so I went out and I was walking in the street. So every 3 minutes, which is the frequency that I've set up for this phone, it tracked it. Knows at 11:46 I was in this location, 11:04 I was in this location, 11:08 I was in this location, 10:45 I was in this location. So basically the system tracks it. Now, again, two settings are part of the system. One is how frequently, how many minutes apart do you want to track the location of the person. So you can set it to 2 minutes, you can set it up to 15 minutes. It's up to it's a setting. The other thing that is a setting is the distance. So if you want to show a distance of 15 feet radius or 30 feet radius as part of one and not show it as two locations, you could do that. In here, basically, because I happen to be in the office, this is our office, so I have it set up for a feet or two, so it's showing us two dots. But if you set up the location to be maybe 20 feet or 30 feet distance, radius distance to be the next button, next showing on the map, then you would not see as many dots on the screen. So this is a quick demonstration of how you can see. Of course, this information could easily be reported on a Sage 100 report as well if needed. Thank you for the opportunity to present the product.